Welcome back to the channel. Hit the subscribe button, smash the like or smash the thumbs up button. I don't know, whatever. You know the routine, what people say. But this is a quick review. I'm up here doing a bit of work, and I figured, you know what, I haven't done a review on this, so I'll do it before I forget about it. Mastercraft, of course. This is a good unit. It's for what is it, 18,000 square feet, 52,000 BTU. I got that hydro, of course. I mean, it runs on a fan. But I've been using it for almost 6 years. You just turn that switch on. You see that black button right there too, next to the switch. You push that and that red button there at the same time. When she starts roaring, obviously turn on your tank. Don't be like me. Almost 9 times out of 10, I forget to turn tank on, and oh, I'm pushing the button. Snick, snick, snick. Oh, forgot to turn propane on. But it says 13.5 hours for a 20-pound tank. My experience is about 10.5. I can tell you, I've definitely turned on a full tank, and I've been out fixing something, and I've gotten almost 10.5 hours, and that's not turning it off. That's just, it's continuous use. So I just want to put that out there. If you don't get to 13.5 hours, you know, don't be terribly surprised. So that's why you're watching this video, and I'm giving you the information, right? There you go. Let me show you the number. So that's the number, right? It's, well, you don't get nothing in the box. I mean, just the hose for the tank, and that's it, and the unit. I don't think it uses much power. It's only a small fan. You know, it's about 12 or so inches long. It don't take up much room at all. The bottom of it, like the floor that it sits on, is just as cold as before you put it on there. So it's pretty safe that way. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to do a quick review on this. I hope that you guys are staying safe. I hope that you guys have, you know, as good weather as what I'm having here. My skidoo days are over. So when I don't see snow this time of year, I'm happy. This time of year, most years, we're dog sledding it. Okay, well, it's not that bad, but you know what I mean. It's nice to see we don't have no snow. I'm not trying to rub it in or nothing, you know. I know there are a few guys, you're from Florida area, so hey, you know, not everybody can be as blessed as what you are, right? Anyway, guys, stay safe and be kind, I guess, and take care.